no basic zone.
What's up, Stushy? It's your girl Stushy back with another video. If you are new, then hey boo! My name is Nun. No, actually my name is Stushy, but today I am a nun. No, but seriously, today I am actually a nun. If you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back to the channel, you guys. You guys know I'm always happy to have you guys back to check out a brand new video. So today I am turning myself into a nun for my third Halloween look. I think this might actually be the last one. I don't know yet, but nonetheless, if you're interested in seeing me turn myself into a nun, then keep on watching. Don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy, and share this video with a friend after you've watched this video in its entirety. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. I do want to know that today's video is going to be a voiceover because I find it a lot easier to record the full look and then explain what I'm doing when I'm doing these creative looks. Enjoy the voiceover.
Okay, jumping right into this eye makeup with this NYX Jumbo Black Eye Crayon on the lid. I'm going to be using this as a base for my black eyeshadow, and this is a staple product, cheap, and definitely does a great job for smoky eyes, okay? Gonna blend that out, making sure that I don't pass my crease with the product because I don't want to look like, you know, someone punched me in my eye. Like, I don't want a black eye at all. And y'all know my nose is always sweating, so yes, there's that. And once everything is blended to my liking, I'm going to dip into the red from my BH Cosmetics Eyes on the 60s palette and start to work that in the crease to help diffuse the black base a little bit. Now I'm going to use the black eyeshadow from the James Charles palette to intensify the black that we used as a base by packing it on my lid. Promise I make this face at least once a day. Don't mind me, okay? Now I'm going to clean my blend up just a little bit and attempt to make a reel for Instagram, which actually turned out pretty good. Check out my Instagram at thestushlife, wink wink. And now I'm going to use my Kat Von D Cake black liner in my waterline, and then I'm going to go in with the same black eyeshadow in my lower lash line, and then I'll actually be switching my brush to use the same red shadow from the BH Cosmetics palette to help blend things out. And as y'all can see, I'm hella hyped with how things are looking so far, but I'm going to use this Wet n Wild paint pot in black to start to draw out the details on my face. I'm going to first start off by spraying the brush to activate the product, and then I'm going to start drawing elongated crosses starting from my lower lash line. And don't worry, I know everything is not even, but it's okay, I'm cool. Now I wanted to add some glitter to, you know, spice things up. Yeah, I know I love things that sparkle, and if you didn't know, sis, now you know. And I got this black glitter from Sally's maybe like 3 years ago, so I'm gonna apply it with a lash glue to my lid. Pro tip, don't be like me. Do not do your eye makeup first. Glitter gets everywhere, I promise you. Now using my Rare Beauty blush in the shade Love, and I'm going in ham, as you guys can see. But don't worry, it'll be alright. It'll be alright, I promise. Now adding a dot of lash glue to the middle of each cross because I'm going with what? With what? Ding, 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 ding. Bling, bling. Oh, and sis, if you're still here, do us a favor, subscribe, ring the bell, and hit the like button. Thank you. Now for some glow, I'm going in with this Becca collaboration with Jaclyn Hill, and I'm going to use the silvery white highlighter. And now I'm going to use the same brush that I used for the red in my crease to contour the top part of my nose without adding any more product. And for my inner corner, I'm going to use this white shimmer from the BH Cosmetics palette. And now I'm going to be cleaning up my lines just a little bit, and then we're going to jump right into our lip combo. lining my lips with this Bite Beauty dark green lipstick. Now I didn't have any black lipstick, so yeah, this just had to do. Now I forgot to show you guys this deep purple Colourpop liquid lipstick, but it is very, very old, but no worries. I'll link it down below with the rest of the products that I used in today's video. And now I'm going to pop on my 25mm minks in the style Feisty from my lash business, Capra NYC, for the finished touches to the eye. See, I told y'all in the beginning I jump from eyes to lips to blush. Like, when I'm doing these looks, my mind can't focus on one thing at a time. And with that being said, I wasn't content with the lips, so I topped things off with this clear lip gloss from ProLux Cosmetics. And without any further ado, let's get into these slow-mos.
Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I really love the turnout of today's look. I can't wait to take some pictures. So if you haven't already followed me on Instagram, make sure you follow me at thestushlife on Instagram. So I'll be posting some pictures, maybe even a reel from today's look. If you did enjoy, make sure you leave your girl a big thumbs up down below. Remember that all the products used in today's video will be linked down below for your convenience, so make sure you check that description box. So for my outfit, I haven't changed my top or anything. All I did was put on this black pashmina, and I have this white headband on right there. My braids are literally just sitting underneath. So very easy. Like, I didn't even need to go to Party City or anything like that. So I love a DIY, okay? If you haven't already subscribed, I really hope that by now you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Tell a friend to subscribe, share this video with a friend, and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications as well, so that way you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the Halloween looks that I brought this year. Kind of kept it cute, kind of kept it simple. Maybe next year we'll try to turn it up a little bit more. I don't really get into these creative looks as often, you know, the FX IMAX kind of looks. So this is very nice. It was very nice to challenge myself this year. If you wear any of the looks for Halloween, then be sure to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see them. And yeah, until next time, until next video, until next upload, until next post, I'll see you guys all later. Bye guys. You know, these like FX. If you're one of my returners, y'all upsetting me and my non-girls, okay? You know, the like FX IMAT looks, so